Today we are doing this CLA 250 Sports. Nicely done with a carbon fiber roof, carbon fiber wing. Nice car. So we'll be doing as usual interior lights on this car. I'm gonna go over here. The car already has the ambient lights in it, but we're gonna be replacing it with our ambient lighting kit. Nice car. Gonna be doing all 4 doors and the floor lights, all of them. Stay tuned. So this whole door panel came off. Look at that. About to go on the other side. Whole trim just came out. Nicely done lights are installed. Let's test them. So it looks like exactly matching the green color as well. Rear door is done as well. I'm gonna remove those OEM lights. Yeah, all looking good. Heading on to the next side. Ran the wire all the way from here to there. The wire is going in here. From here all the way here inside, coming out from there. Have to open this. It's easy just to clip there. You open it up, you open this one up. It's just a rubber. Ran the wire through here there. I would recommend to do the fish line from here to there. And then there's a tiny hole out there. I don't know if you can see it, but it holds like this. I know this is for the plastic trim, but the one up there where this black wire is coming from, this one, that one is spare. So you can fish line the wire out of there. Otherwise there is no way you can go through this firewall unless you want to drill, which I don't recommend doing. And then you can run this wire all the way to the other side where the controller is. Yeah, almost done.
I believe in G.O.D. Don't believe in T.H.O.T. She keep bringing me down. I'm a player for fun. Gotta really know my mental. Let me give you the picture like stencil. Falling out.